Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a square and it has been divided into three small rectangles such that the perimeter of this green rectangle is 13 unit and the perimeter of this yellow rectangle is 17 unit. And the perimeter of this upper rectangle is 20 unit. We have to find the side length of this square. Consider the width of this green rectangle is A. So this length is A unit. And the width of this yellow rectangle is B. The height of this green rectangle considered as C and the width of this rectangle considered as D. Now, as this side length is A unit, so this will also be A. And this is C, so this length, this will also be C. So the perimeter of this green rectangle will be A plus A twice A plus this C plus C twice C. So we can write twice A plus twice C. This is the perimeter of this green rectangle and which is given as 13. So we can write it as 13. Consider this as equation number 1. Now, as this length is B unit, so this will also be B. And this is C, so this length will also be C. So the perimeter of this yellow rectangle will be B plus B, which is twice B plus this C plus C twice C. So twice B plus twice C, this is the perimeter of this yellow rectangle, which is given as 17. So from here we can write this as 17. Consider this as equation number 2. Now focus on this rectangle. As this length is A and this length is B, so the total length, this will be A plus B. So this length, this will also A plus B. And this is D, so this length, this is also D. So the perimeter of this rectangle is A plus B plus A plus B. So this is twice A plus twice B and this D plus D, which is twice A plus twice B plus twice D. This is the perimeter of this rectangle, which is given as 20 is equal to 20. Now divided both side by 2, we can write this A plus divided this by 2, we can write it as B plus here it will be D is equal to 20 divided by 2 is 10. Consider this as equation number 3. And as this is a square, so this side length is equal to this side length. This length is A plus B and this length is C plus D, and this is equal. So you can write A plus B is equal to C plus D. Consider this as equation number 4. Now add equation 3 and equation 4. Adding these two equations, we will get twice a, this twice a and this twice b, plus twice b and this d, plus d is equal to, right side will be this 10 plus this c plus d, c plus d. So adding these two equations, we can write this, or this d and this d from both sides will cancel, and we can write twice a plus this twice b is equal to, right side 10 plus c. Consider this as equation number 5. Now add equation 1 and equation 2. So adding these two equations, this twice a plus twice b, so twice a plus twice b plus here twice c plus twice c, which is 4c, is equal to 13 plus 17, this is 30. Or we have twice a plus twice b is equal to 10 plus c from equation 5. So substitute this twice a plus twice b as 10 plus c. We can write this term as 10 plus c plus this 4c is equal to, right side, this is 30. Or this c plus 4c, this is 5c, is equal to, taking this 10 to right side, we can write 30 minus 10, this will remain 20. Now divided both sides by 5, we will get the value of c is equal to 20 divided by 5, this is 4. So we found the value of c is equal to 4. Now substitute this value of c in equation 5, we will get this twice a plus twice b from equation 5, twice a plus twice b is equal to, we have 10 plus c, so 10 plus c, value of c is equal to 4, so we can write this as 4. Or left side twice a plus twice b is equal to 10 plus 4, this is 14. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get the value of a plus b is equal to 7, as the side length of this square is a plus b, and we have found the value of a plus b is equal to 7. So the side length of this square is 7 units. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.